Top Notch 6365. You out here with your boy Sheffy Young. Top Notch TV.
6365.
Shout out to MP Vicious.
Donnie Fame, y'all already know. Calling, what up? We in Harlem right now.
What up, man? $20. What's good, man?
Ow, my nigga Dollar over there. Rest in peace, some other nigga Dollar. MU, Hood, HO. Y'all already know Kurt. Matter of fact, y'all familiar with the whole shit. Throwback classic. I'm gonna do that tonight. That's what I'm feeling like. That nigga said, look, your boy back in the building, the Bronx, we back on the map. I just caught me your body and bought a clip for this Mac. I just ran in this crib and beat his face with this bat. Asked him where the stash at, from the coke to the crack. All the thugs, they love me, they love the way I be clapping. Send a goon to rob you for your chain or your jacket. I just bought me a ratchet with a scope in the beam. Clap at your starting five, then air out your team. I will seriously hurt you, send them soldiers to murk you. Only thing you spraying is cologne or perfume. I'm a chef in the kitchen, mixing the shit I be pitching. Middle finger to the law, I ain't going to prison. I will kill for that paper, you bet not owe me no paper. I'll put your son in the dumpster like he losing Isaiah. Nigga selling you dreams about some famous, some blings. I keep a M16 like I'm a fucking Marine. If you feeling like a thug, nigga, gon' let your hammer off. Ladies, it's thugs too, gon' let your hammer off. Niggas is crazy, baby, don't forget to spray them. Better get that. Shell out the chamber, you better get that. Shell out the chamber. Woo.
6365.